So I'm thinking of different ways to describe light and bringing light, radiant, illuminating. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Oh, hey, I see you in my life, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you, yeah. How I'm gon' treat you, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you right.
Welcome to my channel. So we are going to be doing another hair tutorial today. My name is Keymee. If you don't follow me already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as a thumbs up if you like this video. And let's go ahead and get into this review. So this unit was sent to me out from Khair Hair. So thank you them for sponsoring this video. So this is going to be their packaging, and they always have their name right here, and then it has their social media handling on the bottom. So I'm freaking excited for this unit, because if y'all been loving the V parts, this right here is supposed to be that kinky curly V part unit. So it is going to come in this plastic bag, and let's see, it is going to be 24 inches on the bag. Also inside of your box, they do always give you goodies. So since it's around the Christmas time, they gave you like a little stocking. Then they do also give this pop-up Christmas card, just saying thank you, you know, for placing your order, and also Merry Christmas. Very cute. And then they also give you gifts. They've been doing this with every box, so every time you do order, you do get like a little package, and it's always like this little purple packaging. So you do get the hair clips, you get a wig cap, you get a scarf, and the scarves have been like really pretty. So you get like a little hair scarf, and then you do get eyelashes, and the eyelashes have been bomb as well. Like, I've been wearing out the eyelashes. So that's what all comes in the gift bag. So let's go ahead and check out this V part. So like I said, it is going to be the kinky curly, which I'm excited to freaking try. So starting off the hair, it feels really soft, really soft. So if you aren't familiar with the V parts, they are the ones that have like the minimum leave out or no leave out. Unlike a U part where you have to leave out a lot of hair, with the V parts you only have to leave out just a little bit of hair to cover it up. On some of them, if you tease the hairline, you can go with leaving out no hair. So they do give you these two clips that are going to be by like this little lace part. I don't know if you can see that up close, but if you see, it has like a little like lace kind of. So you do get the two combs that are going to be on each side, and that's where it'll go by your part. And then they have this comb right here, keep the wig in place. So, and then you're going to get two combs that are going to be on the temple areas. These combs are going to go like right here on the sides to help keep that wig in place. And then they do give you a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So I already have hair like left out, if y'all see my other video. So I'm just gonna split my hair down the middle. And with V parts, automatically I like to do like the center, only because you can rotate it if you want to, but the earpiece, it'd be like sitting all on my ear, and I don't like it like that, and I just prefer the middle part. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. So there is my little part. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this unit on first before doing anything you know, as far as manipulating the hairline part. And they do have the clips. They snap open, like if you push them, they pop open. Then if you close them, you go back and that closes them. So we're just gonna see what it looks like without any hair left out. Okay, so that is what it's looking like. So this one is actually laying pretty flat, and also it feels really snug on my head. Doesn't feel loose, so I do like that about that. So with this particular unit, we are going to try the no leave out. So with the no leave out, basically you're just gonna take the hair that's along the perimeter, so all of this hair that's along the perimeter next to your part, and you're just going to tease it. And teasing, if you don't know, you're just taking a comb and you're just brushing towards the scalp. So this side over here looks really, really good. So I need to get this side good like that. So we're just going to be, so that's what it's looking like so far. This side over here looks so freaking good. I can't really get this one to look like that though. So I'm trying to play with it. I think my hair, I have to clip it down really good. I don't think I'm clipping it good. Okay, so that's looking a little bit better. Basically all you're doing is just teasing the hair so it's not really flat, so you can't really see, like, you see how it looks right now. And then now I'm just going to take my hands and run through it. So this is going to be a 24-inch kinky curly. So let's go ahead and run our hands through it. And this is the shedding that I did get out. So as you can see, I don't have this one in good because it's been slid out, but this side over here, it still looks good compared to that side. So I feel like, you see how it looks now? If you can get your, like, put you an anchor braid, I think it'll hold it in place, then it will look good. Because as you can see, I don't have any hair out, and that is what it is looking like. So it doesn't look bad at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and now just add my hair. So I'm just gonna start by getting some water and just activating my curls. And my hair is just disappearing. Y'all see that? And I'm gonna just add some gel because my hair, like I said, is trying to come up. So I'm gonna add some gel. So that's how the hair looks. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I will be back to give you my thoughts on this unit. So this is the final look on this hair. As you can see, this right here is my hair, and then this right here is the wig, and it blends in so freaking well. So it looks so freaking natural. It's giving like a natural vibe because at the roots I just left my hair alone. I didn't mess with it, so my hair is kind of frizzed out. So it's giving like a natural. So it's giving like a natural look, which I really do like. So this is the bottom. as you can see. So it just looks really natural and pretty. And then it says it's 24 inches, so it's like right here. So if you stretch it out, it does go like long. And then this is going to be it turned to the back. So this is such a gorgeous unit to wear, period. I like honestly love the cap construction compared to like the body waves and the straight on this kind. Like this one, for some reason, this feels snug, and it feels like it's not going anywhere, and it actually like fits like my head like to the T. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of room in the back, I guess, but it doesn't feel, you know how you have a lot of room but it's like kind of big. This one right here, it just fits really good, and it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. So I do like that about this unit. So I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this hair at. This unit was sent to me from Khair, so make sure to check them out. So I will leave the link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and always guys in my next video.